Ever wondered how to make the best popcorn in the world? Let me show you how I do it. So I turn on the pot so it heats up for about a minute. So the first thing I do is add the oil. I use about 2/3 of a cup of GFS popping oil. I pour it in as it's heating and spinning. The next step is to add one of the most important things, which is the Flavacol, a very fine seasoned salt that sticks to the popcorn. Now don't use too much. A half a tablespoon is all you need. And for the finale, the popcorn, I use Orville Redenbacher or GFS popcorn kernels. Now don't use more than 1 cup because you'll end up with a bunch of uncooked kernels. Now we sped up the video a little bit so we didn't bore you, but it's been about 3 minutes before we add the kernels. So the oil's nice and hot, the Flavacol's mixed in well with the oil, and it's time to pop. Close the lid so the steam can build up, and after about 3 minutes, the magic starts. It's not only a great snack, it's a great air freshener. The smell of this hot buttered popcorn is phenomenal. When the popping gets down to about 1 or 2 kernels per second, turn off the pan, dump it out, hit it twice to make sure you get everything out of it. Now there's 3 more steps. First one is grab your scoop and drag all those unpopped kernels into the tray. Step 2, grab your biggest popcorn container and scoop it up. Step 3, enjoy. No, that's really good. Try some. You'll like it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.